In today's video, I want to share with you how to create an FAQ bot like this one that increased trials for our SaaS by 317% in the last month. But first off, what is an FAQ bot? It's a simple modal on your webpage where a user can ask you questions. Is Galadon? And your AI will respond in a way that pushes people to buy. This converts because people feel like they're getting their specific question answered, but also because you've trained your Galadon to be a salesman that doesn't take no for an answer. So let me show you how to set this up. We'll start by going to app.galadon.io and going to the modals page. This is where we can create a new modal. We'll add our API key, describe the AI we're going to do, and after that, it's fairly simple. What type of content are you creating? User asks a question, and you will answer as a salesperson who can't take no for an answer. This is key because no matter what they say, the salesperson is going to try to sell them. If you don't use something like this, your AI might be telling them to go to other people's tools or might not take no for an answer. So if you want a Wolf of Wall Street style salesperson that doesn't take no for an answer, this is what you need in your AI. Then for sample data, I tell them about our users. So users are potential affiliates for Galadon. You will sell them on the affiliate opportunity, 50% commission for the first 12 months. That is up to $594 per customer you refer. That's the prompt for the FAQ bot that I have on the affiliates page of Galadon. Here, how much can I make? Get started now and start making money. See, how much can I make? $594 per customer. And then all you need to do is put about your business, and I copy pasted my entire landing page in here. No editing, no nothing, just straight up galadon.io, copy, paste right in here. Then for guidelines, all I have is don't mention the word context. I hit save and update the AI. Now I can test it to see if it works, and it does. You can also add one more piece to the prompt, which is end every answer asking them to sign up for the affiliate program. This would be swapped for whatever you're selling. End every answer asking them to sign up for a free trial. End every trial asking them to leave a testimonial, whatever you want people to do. Then we hit go and choose the modal type. I'll pick text input modal for now. Then we can design it, enter the header text, ask a question, change the button so it says tell me, and your response here, bada bing, bada boom. We can also change the button color. We can change the height of this box down here. We can do a bunch of stuff to this. Then we hit continue again and click Webflow because that's what we use for our website. Then it just shows us the exact code to grab, copy it, go to Webflow, hit plus, paste it in as an HTML embed, and we're good to go. Now we have an FAQ modal on our homepage that we can ask any question about and get a good answer. I have one here. I installed one on the affiliate page. I also put one on our coaching page that hard sells people on our coaching, and I'm loving this. If you want to build an FAQ bot for yourself, go on over to galadon.io and sign up for the free trial. I'm there on the live chat on the other side, and I can talk you through how to do it in more detail. Thanks for watching the video. Smash that like button for more like this, leave a comment down below, and let's keep going with this kind of video. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.